Students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. We have learned yesterday is multiplication, and also today we will learn how we can multiply numbers, and also we will learn read a table and multiplication fact, and we have also learned multiplying by 5. Okay, let's start. First, you have to read the table, read the 2 times table, write a multiplication fact. You have to read the table, okay? So, let's start. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18, 10 times 2 is 20. Okay. Now the multiplication fact will be 1 times 2 is 2 equal, 1 multiply 2 equal 2. Okay. Because there is one group and in each group there are 2 squares. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4, that will be multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 2, because 2 is the number of group and second other 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. Now 3 times 2 is 6, multiplication fact will be 3 multiply 2, because 3 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. Now 4 times 2 is 8, that will be 4 multiply 2, because 4 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. Now 5 times 2 is 10, so 5 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. And now 6 times 2 is 12, that will be 6 multiply 2, because 6 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. So 6 multiply 2 equal 12. Okay. 1 multiply 2 equal 2, 2 multiply 2 equal 4, 3 multiply 2 equal 6, 4 multiply 2 equal 8, 5 multiply 2 equal 10, 6 multiply 2 equal 12. Now 7 times 2 is 14, that will be 7 multiply 2 equal 14, because 7 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. Now 8 times 2 is 16, that will be 8 multiply 2, because 8 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. 8 multiply 2 will be 16. Now 9 times 2 is 18, that will be 9 multiply 2 is equal 18, because 9 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. And hence 10 times 2 is 12, that will be 10 multiply 2 equal 20, because 10 is the number of group and 2 is the number of squares in each group. Okay. Now you have learned skippy jump 2 steps each time. Skippy jump 2 steps each time. You can see here that Skippy frog is jump 2 steps each time. That means he jumped 2 steps each time. From 0 he go from 2, from 2 he goes from 4, from 4 he goes from 6, and from 6 he goes from 8, and from 8 he goes from 10, and from 10 he goes from 12, and after 12 he goes from 14. Okay. So he jumped 7 jumps. Okay. In each jump there are 2 steps each. In each jump there are 2 steps each. So 7 jumps are 2 steps each. Okay. How many times did Skippy jump? Skippy jumped 7 times. Okay. How many times did Skippy jump? Skippy jumped 7 times. So here will be 7. Okay. Now write the multiplication fact. The multiplication fact will be 7 multiply 2. Okay. Why 7 multiply 2? 7 multiply 2 equal 14. Why? Because 7 is jump, number of jump. Okay. And 2 is the number of steps in each jump. Okay. So multiplication fact will be 7 multiply 2 equal 14. Now come on exercise 4.2, write a multiplication fact. You have to write a multiplication fact. That is, you can see here that there are melons in 2 group. Okay. Melons in 2 group, and in each group there are 2 melons. So what will be the multiplication fact? Can you tell me? what will be the multiplication fact? The multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Why? Because 2 is, first 2 is the number of group and other 2 is the number of melons in each group. So multiplication fact will be 2 multiply 2 equal 4. Okay. In second, there are some cherries. You can see here that there are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So 7 times 2, 2 is added 7 times to make 14. 2 is added 7 times to make 14, and the number of group is 7. Okay, number of group is 7, and in each group there are 2 cherries. So multiplication factor will be 7 multiply 2 equal 14. Why? Because first 7 is the number of group and 2 is the number of cherries in each group. Okay, so multiplication factor will be 7 multiply 2 equal 14. Okay, now third, there are some balloons. You can see here that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 2 is 5 times. 2 is added 5 times to make 10. 2 is added 5 times to make 10. And what will be the multiplication fact? There are 5 groups, and in each group there are 2 balloons. Okay, so multiplication fact will be 5 multiply 2 equal 10, because 5 is the number of group and 2 is the number of balloon in each group. So multiplication fact will be 5 multiply 2 equal 10. In 4 there are balls. Okay, you can see here that 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 is added 4 times to make 8. Okay, and the number of group is 4 and the number of balls in each group are 2. So multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 2 equal 8. First 4 is the number of group and 2 is the number of balls in each group. So multiplication fact will be 4 multiply 2 equal 8. In fifth, you can see here that there are some toffees, and 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 2 is added 3 times to make 6. 2 is added 6 times. 2 is added 3 times to make 6, and the multiplication factor will be 3 multiply 2, because 3 is the number of group and 2 is the number of toffees in each group. Okay, so multiplication factor will be 3 multiply 2 equal 6. Write a number in the box, write a multiplication fact. You have to write a correct number in the box and write a multiplication fact. You can see here that in question B, write a correct number in the circle, write a correct number in the circle, write a multiplication fact. You have to write the correct number in the circle and write a multiplication fact. Okay, let's see. Question first is jumps. You can see here that rabbit jumps 0 from 2, 2 from 4, 4 from 6, 6 from 8, and 8 from 10, and 10 from 12. Okay, so frog jumps 6 jump. Frog jumps 6 jumps. Okay, it jumps 6 jumps because 0 from 2 1, 2 from 4 2, and 4 to 6 3, and 6 to 8 4, and 8 to 10 5, and 10 to 12 6. Okay, so rabbit jumps 6 steps. Okay, so how many steps rabbit jumps? Rabbit jumps 6 steps. So there will be 6 jumps of 2 steps. That means rabbit jumps 6 steps, but each step has 2 steps. In each step there are 2 steps. In each jump there are 2 steps. So 6 jumps of 2 steps, each 6 multiply 2 equal 12. How many jumps? Rabbit 6 jumps, and 6 jump of 2 steps is, that means rabbit jumps 6 jumps, and in each jump there are 2 steps. So 6 jumps of 2 steps, each 6 multiply 2 equal 12. Okay, in second you have to draw over the dotted line. And then after you can see here that froggy jump 0 from 2, 2 from 4, 4 from 6, 6 from 8, and 8 from 10, and 10 from 12, and 12 from 14, 14 from 16, 16 from 18. You can see here that a number of jumps is 9. Okay, and in each jump there are 2 steps. So froggy jumps 9 jumps. Froggy jumps 9 Froggy jumps 9 jumps. Okay. Oh, in each jump there are 2 steps. So 9 jumps of 2 steps each. 9 jumps of 2 steps each. That will be 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. Why? Because 9 jumps Froggy jumps 9. Okay. And the number of steps in each jump is 2. So 9 jumps of 2 steps is 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. In third you can see here and draw over the dotted line. You have to draw a line over the dotted line. Okay. And in third draw the line to show the jumps. You can see here that 5 jumps are here. Okay. You can see on both sides there are 5 jumps of 2 steps each. So you have to draw 5 steps. 5 jumps. Okay. So you have to show 5 jumps. So you will jump 0 from 2, then 2 from 4, 4 from 6, and 6 from 8, and 8 from 10. 0 from 2 will be first, and 2 from 4 will be second, 4 from 6 will be third, and 6 from 8 will be fourth, and 8 from 10 will be fifth. So we have to jump 5 jumps. Okay. So 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 12, 8 to 10. 5 jumps of 2 steps each. 5 jumps of 2 steps each. You jumps 5 jumps. Okay. And in each jumps there are 2 steps. So here will be 5 jumps of 2 steps each. 5 multiplied 2 equal 10. Because 5 is the number of jumps and 2 is the number of steps in each jump. So 5 multiplied 2 equal 10. Okay. Now come on doubles. In doubles you can see here that you have to double the numbers. Okay. Latha has 5 pencils. Latha is a girl. Latha has 5 pencils. Ankita has double the number of pencils. And Ankita has double the number of pencils. Which the number of pencil Latha have? Ankita have double the number of pencils. That means Latha has 5 pencils. Okay. And Ankita has double the number. Double the number means you have to multiply it from 2. Okay. So Ankita have 10 pencils. Okay. Because Latha has 5 pencils and the double of 5 will be 10. You can see here that the double, you can define double from adding and from multiplying by 2. Because you can double that type also. 5 plus 5 equal 10. Double it also double. 5 plus 5. Double means adding the number to itself. Okay. Double means adding the number to itself. You have to add the number from itself. That will be 5 plus 5 equal 10. It also be double of 5. Okay. And in 5 multiply 2, you can double number from multiplying 2. So 5 multiply 2 equal 10. It also means multiplying the number by 2. You have to multiply the number by 2. If you want to double the number, so you have to multiply the number by 2. From two sides, you can find the number of doubles. You can find the doubles of any number from adding the number itself and multiplying the number by 2. Okay. So Latha has 5 pencil, Latha have 5 pencil, Ankita has double the number of pencil. तो अंकिता के पास कितने पेंसिल्स होंगे बेटा? Ankita have 10 pencils because we can add them. Double means adding the number to itself, so we can add it also and we can also multiply it. Okay. So 5 plus 5 equal 10. Double means adding the number to itself and we can also multiply it by 2 because 5 multiplied 2 equal 10. The 10 is the same in both sides. It also means multiplying the number by 2. Okay. Now come on, I can do it. You can see here that a topic I can do it. Okay. So let's start. I can do it. Write the doubles. You have to write the doubles. Okay. Write the doubles means you have to write the doubles. Doubles means I have tell that you have, when you have to write the doubles, you can add the number itself or from two types you can find the doubles of any number. From adding the number itself and second method multiplying the number by 2. Okay. So number is 3. Let's find double 3. We can find two types. Okay. first is we can add 3 from 3. 3 plus 3 will be 6, and from other side you have to 3 multiply 2 equals 6. From both method you can find the doubles of any number. Okay, as like 3, you have to find 3 plus 3 equals 6, and also 3 multiply 2 equals 6. From both sides you have find 6. Okay, and now you have to find the double of 8. If you want to find the double of 8, you have to add the number itself. That will be 8 plus 8 will be 16, and you can also multiply the number by 2. That will be 8 multiplied 2 equals 16. From both sides there will be 16. Okay. Now there is 6. We can find the double of 6 from both sides. From adding the number itself, 6 plus 6 equal 12. And from multiplying by 2, that means 6 multiplied 2 equal 12. Okay. Now you have to find the number double of 1. So you can find the number of double of 1 from both sides. From adding the number itself, 1 plus 1 equal 2. And the other side you have to multiplying the number by 2. That means 1 multiplied 2 equal 2. Okay. From both sides you will find at the same number. You have to find a double of 7. 7 plus 7 equal 14. It can be also. And 7 multiplied 2 equals 14 from second method. Okay. Now you have to find a double of 2. If you want to if you find double the number of 2, then you have to add the number itself. 2 plus 2 equal 4. And from other method you have to multiplying by the number by 2. Okay. So you have to multiply 2 by 2, that will be 4. From both sides you will find 4. Okay. Now double of 4 will be 4 plus 4. From first method 8, and from second method 4 multiplied 2 will be 8. Is the same number from both sides. And now you have to find a number of double of 9. So you have to add the number itself. 9 plus 9 equal 18. And if you want to solve by second method, then you have to find 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. Okay. So 3 का डबल 6, 8 का डबल 16, 6 का डबल 12, 1 का डबल 2, 7 का डबल 14, 2 का डबल 4, 4 का डबल 8, and 9 का डबल 18. Thank you. Now your homework is you have to write exercise 4.2. You have to write exercise 4.2 in your CW copy. Okay. And now after that you have to write in your SW copy. Okay. Thank you.